Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 11 from exercise 8.2. In today's video I am going to take remaining question of this exercise. Here I take question number 12. Question number 12 is given. Ashish purchased a laptop with mark price of rupees 36,000 at a discount of 10%. If the GST is charged at the rate of 28%, find the amount Ashish had to pay for purchasing the laptop. Okay. From this question we understand what is given here. Mark price of the laptop. This is given 36,000. Okay. He got the discount of 10%. 10% discount it is given. We know that we find the discount on mark price and that we have to subtract. Okay. Here first we find out the amount of discount. Amount of discount, this is equal to 10%. It is given 10%. This is 10% of mark price of laptop. Okay. 10% we write 10 upon 100 into mark price is given 36,000. Okay. Now we do calculation here. We can cut 2 0. What is remaining? 10 into 360. This is equal to 3,600 rupees. Okay. This is the amount of discount on mark price of laptop. Then what is the selling price? Then selling price, to find out the selling price you have to subtract the amount of discount from the mark price. Okay. Selling price of the laptop is equal to 36,000 minus 3,600, that is the amount of discount. After subtraction here we get 32,400. This is the actual selling price of the laptop after the discount that we subtract from the mark price of the laptop. Now, but on this there is the GST of 28% that we have to pay. Right? 28% GST. Then purchase price of the laptop is equal to, I have to pay amount of GST. Okay, and this is given 28%. So directly we can write 100 plus. Now what is the selling price for the laptop? That is the 32,400. There is 28% of GST. Therefore we add 28. That is 100 plus 28%. Okay, or you can find out 28 separately. You can find out the amount of GST of 28% of 3,200. Sorry, 32,400, and then we add to it. Then also you will get the same answer. Or directly we write 100 plus 28. That is 128% of 32,400. Then we will get the purchase price of the laptop. Clear? Then we will do calculation here. 128%, that is 128 upon 100 into what is the selling price for the laptop after the discount, that is 32,400. This is 32,400. On that we have to pay the GST. Clear? Now we can cut 2 0 in numerator and the denominator. What is remaining here? 128 into 324. Okay. Do their multiplication. After multiplication we get 48,472. This is the purchase price of the laptop for the Ashish. Okay. I hope student you understand this question. Remember, in this question both the things are given, discount and the GST. We know that GST we have to subtract from the market price. We get the selling price. On that selling price we have to pay the GST. We add here that amount, and then we will get the purchase price of the laptop. This is equal to what? 41,472. This is the correct answer. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13 is given. After allowing the successive discount of 20% and 5% on mark price of the refrigerator, dealer sold it for 15,200. Determine the mark price of the refrigerator. Mark price is not given. We have to find out the mark price of the refrigerator. Okay, and successive discounts are given there. and after that its selling price it is given. Clear? Now to solve this question, first here I consider mark price of refrigerator be rupees 100. Okay. Then two successive discount of 20% and 5% it is given. So first we find out the selling price after 20% discount. Okay. Now what is the 20% of the 100? We find out in rough 20% of the 100, that is the 20. This is equal to 80 minus 20, here we get rupees 80. Mark price here we consider 100. After 20% discount, selling price is rupees 80. Okay. Now next discount on 80 it is given 5%. Clear? On 80, 5% discount we have to find out. Therefore 5% of 80 is what? 4. That you have to subtract from the 80, then you will get the selling price after 5% discount. In this way, selling price after two successive discount of 20% and the 5% becomes 76. Okay, this is the mark price 100, then selling price become what? 76. Now mark price we have to find out. Selling price is given 15,200. Okay. Here, if mark price is 100, selling price is what? 76 after two successive discount. Here we consider if mark price is X, then its selling price is given 15,200. Okay. Then we solve the equation. By cross multiplication we get X is equal to 15,200 as it is. We transfer 100, it will come in multiplication. 76 it will come in division, and this X which is in division on right hand side, after transfer here it will come in multiplication on left hand side. Then X is equal to, now we do calculation here, then 76 ones are, okay, 76 twos are 152. 20 are remaining, 200 is there. Okay, therefore X is equal to 200 into 100. Now their multiplication is what? 20,000, and this is the mark price of the refrigerator if the selling price is given 15,200 for this condition. Okay, therefore we write mark price of the refrigerator is rupees 20,000. This is the correct answer. Okay student, I hope you understand this topic and this question also. Question number 12 and question number 13, and topic of discount and the GST. In this way here we have completed exercise 8.2. Okay, what will be the homeworks are there that you have to complete. Note down your homework. Question number 14 is homework for you. Okay, this is all for today student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.